Say can in Greek.
Μπορώ.
English Greek mini lesson. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you and I will master can in Greek.
Μπορώ.
Buckle up for a fun ride with jokes, rhythm, and real lifelines. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you will say every form with confidence. The English forms we cover now: can, I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you, plural, can, they can. I can.
Μπορώ.
You can.
Μπορείς.
He can.
Μπορεί.
She can.
Μπορεί.
Or with pronoun.
Αυτή μπορεί.
It can.
Μπορεί.
We can.
Μπορούμε.
You, plural, can.
Μπορείτε.
They can.
Μπορούν.
Funny micro dialogue. Let us warm up with a playful scene you can quote later. A. Can you carry this? You can do it. B. Yes, I can.
Μπορώ.
A. If he tries, he can. B. True.
Μπορεί.
A. And she can finish today. B. Of course.
Αυτή μπορεί.
Narrator. The printer? It can work now.
Μπορεί να τυπώσει.
Team. We can help.
Μπορούμε να βοηθήσουμε.
Guide to group. You, plural, can enter.
Μπορείτε να μπείτε.
Coach. They can win.
Μπορούν να κερδίσουν.
Rhythm drill. Clap softly and repeat after me. Keep it bouncy and relaxed. I can.
Μπορώ.
You can.
Μπορείς.
He can.
Μπορεί.
She can.
Μπορεί.
It can.
Μπορεί.
We can.
Μπορούμε.
You, plural, can.
Μπορείτε.
They can.
Μπορούν.
Bonus negation. I cannot.
Δεν μπορώ.
You cannot.
Δεν μπορείς.
Culture tip and meaning twist. Here is a tiny tip that makes you sound natural. In Greek,
Μπορεί.
also means maybe or it is possible. Example, maybe it will rain.
Μπορεί να βρέξει.
Polite plural for speaking to one person respectfully or to a group is.
Μπορείτε.
Example, you, plural, can sit here.
Μπορείτε να καθίσετε εδώ.
Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I will pause for you. How do you say I can in Greek? Answer.
Μπορώ.
Say you can in Greek. Answer.
Μπορείς.
Give he can or she can. Answer.
Μπορεί.
How do you say we can? Answer.
Μπορούμε.
Translate you, plural, can. Answer.
Μπορείτε.
Finally, they can. Answer.
Μπορούν.
Real life challenge. Now use it in many situations. Keep it light and funny. At a cafe, I can pay. Say it.
Μπορώ να πληρώσω.
Cheering a friend. You can do it.
Μπορείς να το κάνεις.
Asking about a device. It can start now.
Μπορεί να αρχίσει τώρα.
Team spirit. We can finish early.
Μπορούμε να τελειώσουμε νωρίς.
Polite to a group. You, plural, can enter.
Μπορείτε να μπείτε.
About friends. They can help.
Μπορούν να βοηθήσουν.
Wrap up and good vibes. You did great, celebrate the small wins. Today you nailed can in Greek.
Μπορώ. Μπορείς. Μπορεί. Μπορούμε. Μπορείτε. Μπορούν.
Keep practicing with a smile, and remember, you can. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. For more lessons, exercises, and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com.